Hello everyone, Dr. Vineeth from SimplifiedEEEEStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss the pitch factor and distribution factor of an alternator. So it is concerning with respect to alternator. Whenever I want to go for a design of alternator, definitely these factors should be considered. Suppose it is very useful when I am going to go for a machine design. Yes. Moving on to the discussion. First, let us understand what do you mean by pitch factor. So you know that pitch factor is also known as coil span factor, or it is also known as coding factor. These are the synonyms of pitch factor. According to the definition, it is a ratio of phasor sum to the arithmetic sum of EMF which is generated in a coil. It tells how effectively the coil sides are placed to produce certain EMF. So the production of EMF that plays most important role in the case of KP, pitch factor. So if I want to write an EMF equation, I must include the pitch factor. So it clearly explains how efficiently the coil sides are produced to get a certain EMF across the stator terminal of alternator. So it is, if you divide the phasor term to the arithmetic sum of EMF, then I'll be able to get the pitch factor, or it is also known as coil span factor, or we can say coding factor. By looking at the formula, it is very clear that it is the phasor sum of EMF in two sides of coil upon arithmetic sum of EMF in two sides of coil. So with respect to the ratio of the pitch factor, we can say if pitch factor is 1, that is called a full pitched. The angle between coil sides 180-degree electrical. So there is a relation between the electrical angle and mechanical angle. So we'll be getting in terms of electrical angle. If I want, I can convert into form of mechanical angle as well. So Kp is equal to 1 means full pitch. So if it is like a short pitched coil, then angle will be less than 180-degree. So it is short by beta. So we can write like a Kp is equal to cos beta by 2. So that is regarding Kp less than 1, which is a short pitched coil. If Kp is equal to 1, it is full pitched coil. Those things you have to remember. Whenever you are going for a machine design, these parameters plays most important role. What is the purpose of short pitched coil? The purpose is to minimize harmonics. Similarly, harmonics is one of the major power quality issue. Whenever you are going to design, go for like a short pitched coil to reduce the harmonic content. Also, that will help to improve the wave shape. So if harmonics is reduced, distortion can be minimized. Whatever the EMF I am getting, that will be purely sinusoidal. Not exactly sinusoidal, but I can go for improvement. Second term is known as distribution factor, which is denoted by KD. KD is also known as breadth factor. So, what is breadth factor? It shows the effect of distributing the coil in multiple slots instead of concentrating in single one. The distribution of coil in the form of multiple slot in spite of focusing it like a single one. So that is actually called the distribution factor. Distribution means like a spreading or separation, the effect of distribution of the coil, that measure effect of distribution of coil. Basically, it is the ratio of EMF of distributed winding divided by EMF of concentrated winding. Basically, you can rewrite the equation in this form: sine m alpha by 2 divided by m into sine alpha by 2, which is used for all type of machine design. Where alpha is known as slot angle, it is a ratio of 180-degree upon slot per phase. It is in terms of electrical angle. If I want, I can convert in terms of mechanical angle. Where m is nothing but the number of slots per pole per phase. This point you are supposed to remember. So this is regarding the distribution factor. The key points: KD will less than 1 always. More KD, smooth output and fewer harmonics. Like whenever you are writing the EMF equation, it is very clear that EMF is equal to 4.44 supply frequency, the number of turns into phi is flux, Kp into KD. Both the things has to be added. It is very must. F is the frequency, N is the turn per phase, phi is the flux per pole. So remember, whenever you are going for a design, KD will be always maintaining less than 1. So KD and Kp both are included in the EMF equation. It is most important thing. So in this short video, we discussed about what is the importance of pitch factor and what is the importance of distribution factor. Let me know if you have any queries related to this topic. You can directly give the comment in the comment box. I'm happy to answer. If you want the PPT, I can share directly or through your Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day. I request everybody to subscribe our channel and share with the stakeholders. Thank you all.